Today is Wednesday, February 21st. These guys missed a couple of days due to rain, and now they're back, and it looks like he's going to start putting tile on. And I'll be darned if those travertine copings aren't mortared on there now, all the way up to over there. Wow, progress. Amazing how he's going to go all the way around the whole pool, it looks like, putting that mortar on, the backing for the tile, and then I guess he's going to stick the tiles on. We'll find out. Looks to me like this guy's done this before. The stack stone for the back wall was delivered today. This guy has to cut them all in half so they can fit on the curves of the freeform pool. And the tile is going up really quick. They seem to be done for today. Looking good. I had some discussion today with Cris about taking the concrete, which is going to follow that curve, and instead of going like that, like it did originally, taking it out that way and possibly demoing that patio and putting stamped concrete there, because we're going to get a patio cover there. And it may become a bigger patio cover, I don't know.